Welcome to Case Study Series in Strategy. Case Study by skilled MBA Blockheating, founded in 2018, revolutionizes data hosting with its direct-to-chip water cooling system. This technology efficiently cools servers while repurposing the heat to warm nearby buildings, significantly reducing energy waste. Their innovative approach aligns with a sustainable mission, showcasing a unique blend of technology and environmental responsibility. Blockheating, founded in 2018, revolutionizes data hosting with sustainability at its core. Utilizing a direct-to-chip water cooling system, it efficiently cools servers while repurposing the heat. This warm water is then redirected to nearby buildings, minimizing energy waste and showcasing an innovative approach to sustainable technology. Blockheating employs direct-to-chip cooling, where water directly contacts chips, efficiently removing heat with minimal energy. In contrast, air cooling uses fans and air conditioning, offering less efficiency but widespread adoption. Immersion cooling submerges servers in non-conductive fluid, achieving high efficiency but necessitating specialized infrastructure. Direct-to-chip cooling offers high energy efficiency and excellent heat recovery, but scalability is moderate. Air cooling, while widely understood, is less efficient with poor heat recovery, yet scalable. Immersion cooling provides very high efficiency and good heat recovery, though it requires complex infrastructure. Blockheating must assess these technologies as they expand. Balancing environmental responsibility with operational effectiveness is crucial. As blockheating expands, maintaining green credentials and minimizing carbon footprint are priorities. Ensuring efficient server performance across diverse locations is essential. Additionally, delivering consistent service quality to meet growing client expectations is vital for sustained success. Geographic expansion demands tailored cooling strategies for diverse climate zones. Energy costs vary, affecting return on investment calculations. Local regulations on energy usage and environmental impact must be considered. Identifying suitable heat recipients in new locations is crucial for optimizing resource use and maintaining environmental responsibility. Investing $2.5 million in direct-to-chip cooling infrastructure can yield significant financial benefits. Expect 35% energy savings, reducing operational costs compared to traditional data centers. Additionally, selling recovered heat to nearby facilities could generate $1.2 million annually, enhancing revenue streams and supporting sustainable practices. Blockheating's innovative approach drastically cuts carbon emissions and water usage. By optimizing cooling systems, they achieve a lower carbon footprint and conserve water resources, setting a new benchmark in environmental responsibility. This positions them as leaders in sustainable data solutions, appealing to eco-conscious clients and enhancing their market competitiveness. Blockheating's market positioning emphasizes sustainability leadership, appealing to environmental, social, and governance-focused clients. Its innovation edge is marked by proprietary heat recovery systems, creating competitive barriers. Community integration is achieved through partnerships with local buildings, fostering strong customer relationships. Dual revenue streams are generated from data hosting services and heat energy sales, enhancing financial stability. Our customer acquisition strategy targets enterprises focused on environmental, social, and governance, data-intensive businesses with sustainability commitments, public sector organizations aiming for carbon reduction, and research institutions needing high-performance computing. The choice of cooling technology is crucial, as it determines our ability to effectively serve these segments, aligning with their environmental and performance needs. Blockheating's technology roadmap outlines a decade-long evolution. From 2023-2024, the focus is on optimizing direct-to-chip cooling and implementing advanced heat exchange technology. By 2025-2026, hybrid cooling solutions will be explored. From 2027-2028, artificial intelligence-powered thermal management and next-generation heat recovery will be integrated. By 2029 to 2030, the goal is fully integrated circular energy systems with zero waste heat emissions. Engineering decisions are pivotal. The choice of cooling technology will shape block heating's competitive edge. Environmental responsibility serves as a crucial differentiator in an environmental, social, and governance-focused market. Balancing innovation with reliability is essential to ensure service quality while adopting advanced technologies. Technological choices shape competitive advantages, influencing long-term success. Sustainability initiatives offer dual revenue streams, enhancing both profit and environmental impact. Balancing operational excellence with environmental goals is crucial. Geographic expansion demands adaptive technology strategies to ensure seamless integration and growth. Balancing technology investment with market expansion requires strategic prioritization. Partnerships with renewable energy firms could enhance block heating's heat reuse model. Success should be measured by environmental impact and community engagement, not just financial metrics. Cooling a company while heating the planet responsibly involves innovative solutions like waste, heat recovery, and sustainable energy sources. Thank you, and exploring strategic partnerships can amplify block heating's heat reuse model. Collaborations with data centers and renewable energy firms could optimize resource utilization. Evaluating success through environmental impact metrics, such as carbon footprint reduction, alongside financial performance, ensures a holistic approach. Balancing technology investments with market expansion requires aligning innovation with sustainable growth objectives.